Hi everyone, welcome to Macsartplace. Today I'm going to do a couple of things. It will be divided into two different videos. So the first video I'm going to concentrate on is a Dutch pour. I have been trying different blow dryers and I've gotten a new attachment for my old blow dryer from the 70s. So we'll see if that works. I can't seem to find a dryer that has enough airflow coming out of it, and very discouraged about that. Maybe some of you nice artists can tell me which blow dryer you're using and maybe that can help. So my Dutch pour colors are going to be, I'm just going to put a base down of my Kensington paint with 4 parts floetrol, and I'm working on a 16 by 20 canvas that I've taped and put pins in, and I'm sticking to black, white, and different shades of purple and pink to see how that comes out. So I'm using my mica powder and my Sargent's black, and I have Arteza Pearl Hot Pink with Deco Art Pour Medium, and my Deep Violet with floetrol, and Pearl X Reflex Violet with Deco Pour. And I have 3 primary elements colors I'm using. It's Jasmine, Passion, and ginger flower, and those are mixed with my pouring medium, which is 3 parts floetrol and 2 parts in the little green can. Can't think of it anyway. I'll write it down in the description below. Polycrylic, that's what it is. So hang on a little bit. I'll take it down and show you what I'm doing, and hopefully this dryer will work. I keep everything crossed, but not my eyes, because I won't be able to see what I'm doing. See you in a few. Alright, I have my white. I put down my base color, and I'm going to need some of that for around the pour. So I don't know whether I should use that black or not. I'll think about that while I'm going with these other colors. So first I'm going to put down the Liquitex Basics. And I'm going to go in an angle like this. And I know for the Dutch pour, your paints have to be a little thinner. So I'm not sure I have these thin enough. I know the bottom isn't that thin. Hope I don't get anything on this shirt. So here's one of my pinks. And here's a light purple, maybe. You don't want too much coming out. I mean, this seems like an oddball color to add with the others, but it's in the purple line. So now we'll do the pinks. And I have these mixed. I put that pouring medium I told you about, but I also added the glue recipe that I have. I wanted to see how that worked. maybe I will add just a little tiny bit of black here and there. I don't know why. I just feel like I need to. Okay, now we'll get this drier after I move all these things out of the way. Wish I had a little nozzle on the top here. Wish in one hand. You guys know what I'm saying. That was one of my mother's favorite sayings. Wish in one hand and you know what in the other, and see what gets filled first. Ha ha ha. These things you remember when you get older. Okay. Here we go. Close your ears. I think I'll start in the middle. Right, I gotta put all that over there. The dryer works now. You see, I put this extension on the old dryer from the 70s, and it really concentrated the air nicely, so that's working. There is a lot of pink, which I knew, and the purple there. I'm getting a lot of nice cells. I like it. I mean, if somebody likes purple and pink, they'll like it because it's not, doesn't have a lot of other. I was trying to get some of that real dark off of that corner there. But a little bit of gold. I think the black didn't harm it any. And the little bit of gold that I have here looks nice. It kind of adds a little bit of brightness to the shocking pinks. So I'll take you down for a look-see. Here's the bottom right color, side corner. I'll get it right one of these words. And so you can see the lacing that I have there, and those little bombs of gold, and that's the upper right corner with the dark purple. I have to heat it yet, but I wanted to show you before I do that, and if there's any changes, we'll show them to you. See, I forget to torch things. Oh, that's a little telephone thing there. That's neat. Signal, you know. Oh, there's a dog print. And here's the bottom left corner. That's really turned out nicely. The lacing. Well, guys, let me know what you think. Too much pink, not enough purple. I like the results from the dryer. Yeah, that seems to be working rather well. And thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and share. and have a great weekend coming up. Bye-bye.